Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Let's dive into what's happening with the EUR USD today. The pair is showing some modest gains, trading around the 1.0770 mark. It's been a bit of a tug of war, with the euro finding some support after a dip earlier in the session. So, what's driving this? Well, a big part of the story is what's not happening. We're in a bit of a data light period from the US side, which means traders are looking elsewhere for clues. This data blackout leaves the market feeling a little adrift, and we're seeing that reflected in the cautious trading atmosphere across the board. The US dollar index is actually a touch softer, which is giving the euro a little bit of breathing room. Over in Europe, the sentiment is mixed. Recent comments from European central bank officials have been leaning a bit dovish, hinting that interest rate cuts could be on the horizon, possibly as early as June. This is putting a cap on the euro's potential gains. Christine Lagarde, the ECB president, has mentioned that while the disinflation process is ongoing, she needs more solid data before making any firm commitments. The market is currently pricing in about 88 basis points of cuts this year, which is a significant factor weighing on the single currency. From a technical perspective, the EUR USD is facing some key levels. The immediate resistance is sitting right around the 200-hour simple moving average at 1.0775. If we can break above that, the next hurdle is the 1.0800 psychological level. On the flip side, if the pair turns lower, we'll be looking for support at the recent low of 1.0725. A break below that could open the door for a slide towards 1.0700. Looking ahead, the main event this week will be the US inflation data, the CPI report. This will be a huge market mover. If inflation comes in hotter than expected, it could reignite bets that the Federal Reserve will keep rates higher for longer, which would be a major boost for the US dollar. If the numbers are soft, it could do the opposite, giving the euro a lift. So, all eyes will be on that release. Until then, we can probably expect more of this cautious, range-bound trading. That's all for now. It's a classic case of the market holding its breath before the next big data point. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this update helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more market analysis. We'll see you in the next video.